Welcome to Pearl Lemon SEO, your ultimate guide for pay-per-click strategies. Today, we're going to show you how to enhance your PPC campaign by putting your own LEDs in a PPC case. First, select the LED lights of your choice. Opt for ones that represent the mood and goal of your PPC campaign. Next, integrate these lights into your PPC case. It's a metaphor for incorporating your unique touches into your campaign. With your own LEDs in place, your PPC case, just like your campaign, will shine brighter and stand out from the rest. This will not only illuminate your PPC strategy, but also increase visibility and enhance performance. For more tips on how to optimize your pay-per-click campaigns, subscribe to Pearl Lemon SEO. We release videos daily. If you got value from this video, please give us a like and leave a comment below if you have any questions. Remember, your growth is our goal. With Pearl Lemon SEO, illuminate your PPC and light up your business.